fan, man. I hope all of you are able to hear me. If yes, then make sure that your video is on. Yes. Andrew, Hemant, Ananya, video must be on. I'm going to start the class now. So, when the timetable came? When exam starts?
From October 7th.
October only it starts, not this month. No exam this month. But October month you have full portion.
No, sir, volume 2 and including EMW.
So, volume 2 fully is there,
Yes.
isn't it? So, you are in Vellamal's. What about your school?
Sir, just now you
What are the portion of that?
ray optics, half till mirror formula and EMW.
Any exam coming now?
No, sir.
Not in this month. Okay. What about that is Vellamal only you are? Yeah, that I saw. Your school
September 15th.
exam is there.
First 4 lessons.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So your school, what they are doing?
Morning I have exam on ray optics and wave optics and electromagnetic.
Ray optics, wave optics, electromagnetics. When it is going to be there?
This month end.
This month end. Okay. Pratap, when is the exam upcoming for you?
Starting on September 17th.
Portions?
Full volume.
Volume 1 fully.
Volume 1 fully, yes.
Okay. What about LWA, Varshita Shri?
We have in the month of October, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. And the portions are not yet declared.
Not yet.
Okay. What is going on in school, by the way?
In physics, we are in the chapter named nuclei.
You have finished ray optics, wave optics, everything? Dual nature of matter?
No, we started from the chapter 10. Not 10, rather if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Name. Don't say the numbers. Name the chapter. Did you learn ray optics and wave optics? No, right?
No, sir, not yet.
Dual nature of matter and radiation? Think so.
Yeah, we finished that.
Okay. After dual nature of matter, now you are a nuclei. Atoms finished.
Yes. It's finished.
Okay, fine. So, Ivan, SSM school, what they are doing?
They were having volume 1.
Started ray optics, sir.
Okay, Kirti, I'll come back to you. Give me a second. Yes, Ivan?
They started ray optics, sir.
Wave optics. Ray finished.
No, sir, ray optics. They are doing with the equations.
Okay. They are doing ray optics now. When is the exam starting for you?
12th, sir.
12th October. Portions are volume 1 around, isn't it?
Volume 1, yes, sir.
Up to AC, if I am right.
No, sir, EMW.
Oh, full volume 1.
Oh.
Okay. Dishita, you are from Vellamal, so no, I got your information. Badri, you are from which school, man? Vellamal only.
Yes, sir.
I got the information. Others, everybody. Any other school students? Alvin students, anybody is there? Alvin? Anybody from, I think, Sarukesh, which school you belong to?
Zion, sir.
Zion. What is happening at Zion school now?
They completed wave optics.
When is the exam going to start for you?
September 8th.
What is the portion for the exam?
First 10 chapters.
First 10 chapters, including wave optics.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. So, Kirti, something you were saying.
Sir, we have volume 1, sir, to be.
You have volume 1 exam.
But no, sir, like the portion is volume 1 except for EMW.
You are talking about which test? October month test.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then there is no problem. Okay. Yes, please tell me, man.
Sir, I was not able to find the assignment yesterday.
Yeah, there was some problem. I was about to discuss about that. So yesterday, I think because last week class not happened, no, because of some puja Wednesday. So for that reason, yesterday the assignment was not uploaded. Those who are taking assignment seriously, they will know this. Yesterday's online assignment was not uploaded there because there was no class that happened last week. Okay, but you will get the assignment. I have told ma'am to submit some assignment. Maybe you will get it by today or tomorrow. I'll update you about that. Okay. Okay. People whose videos is off: Amruta, Kalai Chelvan, Krishna Raghavan, Rakshana. Please don't have the video off. We are going to start the class now. Yes, shall we start, Yashwant? Okay, Yashwant. So the class will start, and I think ray optics is what we were last class. Whenever I had, we just had a quick overview of ray optics basics. We not even started the derivation of mirrors formula here. So for sure, this week I am going to have another extra class. Time I don't know now. I'll plan today and tell you by tomorrow. It may be late night also, like 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock like that. Whatever it may be, I'll inform it to you. But this week we will have some extra class to cover the portions. Ray optics, for me, it's a lengthy chapter. Some schools are finishing in 2 days also, I don't know why, how. But I will go very slow in ray optics because ray optics is once again a chapter which can make you feel it is very tough. I don't want you to have that feeling. For that, I will go a little slow here. I hope you're getting my point. And to go slow, I need to take more classes to complete the portions. So some of you are having full volume 2 test next month, isn't it? So I need to prepare for that. For that reason, I am going to take some extra classes. So please cooperate with me. Whenever I keep extra class this week for ray optics chapter, I request everybody to attend that class. Don't miss it. Wasn't it? Okay, fine. Let us start today. And today's class, we will start with the derivation of mirrors formula. So basically, you give the heading as mirrors formula. Mirrors formula, which is not new for us. We have learnt about it already. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Magnification, ratio of height of image to height of object is equal to minus v by u. These things are known to you already from a 10th standard, and I recalled all these things in the previous class also. Today, I am going to derive it. For exam point of view, it is very important. Derivation comes very frequently in the board examination, where they may ask you to derive the mirrors formula. Okay. For derivation, I am going to take, you can take any mirror condition for that. It's not like you should use concave or convex. Any mirror you can take, any image ray diagram you can take. So what I am going to do here, everybody please pay attention. It's a little long derivation. After you understand, you can copy it. It's simple, but very simple derivation. So I am going to take a concave mirror, and in this concave mirror, I hope you remember, this is called as pole, this is called as focus, and this is called as center of curvature. Center of curvature is the center of the sphere from where the mirror has been derived. Focus is the point at which all the rays coming parallel to principal axis will converge, and pole is the point at which the principal axis intersects the mirror. So all these things must be known to you. So now, what I am going to do, I am going to take an object beyond C. My wish, anywhere I can take. Completely my wish, anywhere I can take. I have 4 rules of image formation, which I told you in the previous class also. Any ray passing parallel to principal axis will converge and pass through focus. Any ray passing through focus will become parallel to principal axis. Any ray passing through center of curvature will retrace its path. Any ray going through pole will make the same angle and get reflected. Angle I is equal to angle R. You can take help of any rays. I will take 3 rays here. One ray passing through the focus and after reflection becoming parallel to principal axis. Okay. Second ray passing through center of curvature and retracing its path. So we came to know this is where the image is going to form. So I am just drawing the image also, which is A dash and B dash, and this is A and B. Okay. And then we are going to make a third ray which is going to go and hit the pole and come like this and go. So I have drawn 3 rays here. one passing parallel to one passing through focus becoming parallel to principal axis, one passing through center of curvature, and one passing through pole. Is it clear to you? The diagram is clear to you? Draw it. I'll be back 1 second. Draw it fast. Another ray is going through pole and with the same angle, if this is theta, with same angle theta, it is getting reflected. One ray passing through center of curvature is retracing its path. Clear? Diagram is clear to you? Any problem in diagram, please ask me. In this diagram, if you see, there are some quantities I am going to write here. For example, what is AB? AB is object height, isn't it? It will be positive above the principal axis. A dash B dash is image height, negative because it is below the principal axis. Object distance is BP, which is going to be negative for sure, isn't it? B dash P is the image distance, which is going to be once again negative for sure. FP is the focal length, once again it is going to be negative for sure. And CP is the radius of curvature, which is going to be negative for sure. Any problem in this? So I am writing it here like AB is plus HO, A dash B dash is minus HI, AB is BP is minus U, B dash P is minus V, FP is minus F and is minus R. Anybody has problem in convention, feel free to ask me. Any problem in this convention, how it has come? How plus O plus HO, how minus HI, how minus U, minus V, minus F, minus R. Anybody has any doubt, feel free to ask me. This derivation, if you understand in today's class, one 5-mark question is done for you, 3 mark at least. So I will give time for writing, ask me.
Explain the convention.
See, convention is only 2, Kirti. One convention says that any ray parallel to, any distance measured against direction of incident ray will be taken as negative, and any distance measured along direction of incident ray is taken as positive. And second convention says that all the heights measured above the principal axis is positive, all the heights measured below the principal axis is negative. Right, Kirti? So in this case, one more thing is there, all the distances must be measured from the pole. Okay, Kirti? So if you measure from pole to focus, it is against the principal incident ray, because incident ray is going in this direction, isn't it? So if I measure the object distance, negative, image distance, negative, focal length, negative, radius of curvature, negative, because all these distances are measured against the direction of incident ray. Same way, height above the principal axis, positive, height below the principal axis, negative. Are you getting how the convention has come, Kirti? Clear? Okay. Now, what I am going to do, you please pay attention. I am going to use the basic laws of similar triangles, if you remember from 10th standard. Okay. Now, please pay attention. Again, I am repeating, I will give time for copying. Now, focus on learning how the derivation happens. So, first I am taking in triangle A, B, C and triangle A dash, B dash, C. We are talking about this triangle and this triangle, okay? Can I say that angle ABC is equal to angle A dash, B dash, C is equal to 90 degree? Any problem in that? Clearly visible, both are straight, so it is perpendicular. Angle ACB is equal to angle A dash, C, B dash. What are these angles? Vertically opposite angles. Do you agree with me? Very basic thing we are doing. By which similarity they are similar triangles? AA similarity, isn't it? Two angles are same. So, by AA similarity, I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. Any problem in this? After that, you know, in similar triangles, ratio of sides are same. If I write the ratio of sides, I can write AB by A dash B dash is equal to BC by B dash C. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Any problem in this? I hope no problem is there. So, from here I can write what is BC? BC can be written as BP minus CP. Do you agree with me? BC is BP minus CP. And what is B dash C? CP minus B dash P. Do you agree with me? If you have any doubt, ask me. Nothing. This BC was there. I wrote this BC is BP minus CP. This B dash C is there. I am writing CP minus B dash P. Nothing else. Why I am doing so? Because I have the value known of these things. What is BP? Check there. BP is minus U. What is CP? CP is minus R, so it becomes plus R by. What is CP? Plus minus R. What is B dash P? Minus V, so plus V will become, right? Let this be equation number 1. Now what I am doing? I am taking triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P. So which triangle I am taking now? I am taking this triangle and this triangle. Clear to you which triangle I am taking? The bigger one. And in these two triangles, I am going to check the similarity. So how do I check? Angle ABP is equal to angle A dash B dash P is equal to, once again, 90 degree. Can I say angle APB is equal to angle A dash PB dash because angle I is equal to angle R? Do you agree? Once again, by which similarity? AA similarity, I can write what is similar? These two triangles. Triangle ABP is similar to triangle A dash B dash P. Do you agree? And once again, I am going to take the ratio of their sides. What is the ratio? Ratio will be AB by A dash B dash will become equal to BP by B dash P. What is BP? Minus U. What is B dash P? Minus V. So it will become U by V. Equation number 2, because minus minus gets cancelled. Do you agree with me? Both equation 1 and equation 2, how it came, it is clear to you. First I took these two small triangles, then I took the bigger triangles, proved them similar and wrote the ratio of their sides. Basically, I have AB by A dash B dash here also and AB by A dash B dash there also. From there I am going to write from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, see and tell me, I can write U by V is equal to, U by V is equal to, where I went to, yeah, so minus U plus R or R minus U, whatever you want to write, divided by V minus R, isn't it? Do you understand? I am going to cross multiply, it will become UV minus UR is equal to VR minus UV. Do you agree? I will bring UV together, it will become UV and it will become 2UV is equal to, here we have VR plus UR. Now I am going to divide both sides. Important step you will forget in the examination. Dividing both sides by what? UVR. UVR. The moment I do that, 2UV by UVR is equal to VR by UVR plus UR by UVR. UR gets cancelled, VR gets cancelled, UV gets cancelled. What is R? R is 2F, 2 gets cancelled is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. I got the mirror's formula, which is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus. Is it clear to you? Any problem in this? I have taken two triangles similar here, then again bigger two triangles similar. After similarity, I have found the ratios, and when I equate, I get 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Important step is this step alone, where you have to remember that 1 by dividing both sides by UVR, which you may forget in the board examination. Another thing is there, please pay attention. What is that? This step is there, no? From equation 2. From equation 2, we know that, AB by A dash, AB by A dash B dash is equal to what? V by U, U by V, U by V. What is AB? See here, AB is plus HO. What is A dash B dash? Minus HI. So, I will write HO by minus HI is equal to U by V. You know what is magnification? It is the ratio of height of image to height of object. So, from this, if I am writing magnification, which is equal to HI by HO, from here you see HI by HO will become minus V by U. Got it? This is the magnification equation, which is minus V by U. So, we derived both the mirror's formula and the magnification formula, which you already knew from a 10th standard. It is not new for you. Derivation is alone you are learning now. If it is clear to you, don't take more than 5 minutes and copy this fast. If you have understood a derivation, what happened, Nishwant? Any problem? Tell me. Tell me if something is there. Have you copied this? Can I go to the next page? Make it fast please if you are done. Everybody is done?
So I'm still waiting, sir.
Make it fast here. Yeah, I'm waiting for a minute, make it fast.
Sir, it seems you marked me absent, it seems, sir.
Is it Solia Varshini? I'll check, I'll mark you present then. Badri, why is your video off? I am going to go to the next page now. I hope you have copied it. Make it fast. Shall I proceed?
No, sir, I'm still writing this.
Okay, please make it fast. Are you done? Even if you are not done, leave some space and take the question. Take one question now. All of you, please take one question now. Question is, an object is placed, everybody please take the question. an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter, on the principal axis of a concave mirror. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter. On the principal axis of a concave mirror of radius 30 centimeter. By how much does the image move? If the object is shifted towards the mirror, by 15 centimeter. Solve it, make it fast. Simple question, give a try.
Sir, the 13.5 centimeters.
13 point
5,
may be correct. Others, any answer? Any answer? This is the level of question you can expect for 2 mark.
Is it 16?
Okay, let me check. One answer told by Sharan is 13.5 centimeter. You are saying 16 or 60, Akhilesh? 16 or 60?
26, sir.
24 is the answer by Mrityunjay. 12.5. 13.5 is by Yashwant. 13.5 by Yogit also. Check answer, Akhilesh. Some mistake, I think. Please check. Came 13.5? Majority is reading 13.5 only. Let us check. So, what the question is, Shweta, whoever wants to speak. So, what is the question? Tell me the question.
Sir, the object is placed in principal axis of distance 40 centimeter, and
okay, radius is 30 centimeter. So this is given as 30 centimeter. So obviously focal length will be how much? 15 centimeter. Where is the object kept?
40 centimeters.
So obviously it is where? Beyond C, isn't it? See, by the given data itself, we came to know that object is kept beyond C. Next, what they told?
Then they said that the object moved 15 centimeters towards the mirror.
Okay, now what they told? The same object, if it moves towards the mirror 15 centimeter, means it will go somewhere here, isn't it? Yeah. Then read the question.
So that's all I wrote. I didn't write it.
You're not writing, that's why you're not getting the answer.
The object is shifted towards the mirror by
Read the question fully, Yuvashri.
how much does
By-
the image move?
Oh, yeah, understand. So they are asking, see here, if the object moves this side by 15 centimeter, image also will come from here to somewhere here. They are asking how much it moves. This is the question. You are not in 10th standard. U is given, V is given, find F. F is given, V is given, find U. M is given, find F by using magnification. It will not happen. You are in 12th standard, and this is the easy question of 12th. Tough question I will give next. So this is the level you can expect minimum. Let us, what we will do then? When this is the object position, I will find the image position. When this is the object position, I will find the image position, and then subtract both, I will get the answer. That's all. So when U is equal to how much? 40, minus 40 centimeter, and what was F? Minus 15 centimeter. I will find the value of V. Did you find that? How you found 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 40. If you know basic addition of fractions, when you solve, what will value of V will come? Minus 24 centimeter. Mrityunjay got here and stopped, right? No, should not stop here, because now we just got this value, 24 centimeter. Are you getting my point? Now what we will do? We will keep the object where? When U is equal to how much we will keep now? 15 here. It means how much? 40 minus 15 is how much? 25. Isn't it? So when U is equal to minus 25 centimeter, F remains same. How much? 15 centimeter. We found the value of V. How much will come? Minus 37.5. If you do correctly, I think this is correct answer. Now I got this value as how much? 37.5. 37.5, 24, subtract both, you will get 13.5 centimeter. That is the answer. Any problem in this? When the object was at 40 centimeter, image was forming at 24 centimeter from the pole. Object was kept at 25 centimeter, the image is forming at 37.5 centimeter. It means how much image moved? 13.5 it moved. That's all the answer. If anybody from the online or the offline community is having any doubt, ask me. If there is no doubt, next question is going to be tough.
You can explain the problem again.
Shaktivel, right? Who asked? Shaktivel only asked, no? Yaar? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shaktivel. See, pay attention. What I told, when the object was kept at 40 centimeter, they are asking if the object is moved towards the mirror by 15 centimeter, how much will the image move from its current position? So when the object is at 40 centimeter, then the image is forming at 24 centimeter. That you understood,
Yes, sir.
Shaktivel? After that, when the object moved 15 centimeter, it means that U became 25 centimeter, because 40 minus 15 is 25. For that, once again I found the value of V, which came as 37.5 centimeter. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So image was here, now it moved to this position. They are asking how much image has moved. Cannot you find it now? This is 37.5, this is 24. Subtract both, you will get this answer, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Shall I go to the next question then? Is it clear to everybody? Sure? Take the question, interesting question. Write the question. While sitting in a parked car, while sitting in a parked car, while sitting in a parked car, solve this question in the example of NCERT. That question only. Try solving it honestly by yourself. Interesting question this is. Okay. Today only you saw. Yesterday. Okay. So what I said, when sitting in a parked car, you glance in the rear view mirror, you glance, or you write C, whatever you want to write, you glance in a rear view mirror, in bracket you can write R is equal to 2 meters, R means radius, R is equal to 2 meters. Andrew, I hope you are writing. R is equal to 2 meter. And notice a jogger approaching. And notice a jogger approaching. If the jogger is running at 5 meter per second, if the jogger is running at 5 meter per second, if the jogger is running at 5 meter per second, how fast is the image of jogger moving? How fast is the image of jogger moving when jogger is at 39 meters? When the jogger is at 39 meter. When the jogger is at 39 meter. Is it clear to you how the question is? You are sitting in a car, car will have a rear view mirror, somebody behind is approaching towards your car and coming at what speed? 5 meter per second. There is no acceleration given, it means same velocity, constant velocity. Obviously, if the object is moving, image will also move, and image of object and image will not be same, that you know very well, because it is a convex mirror, rear view mirror is always a convex mirror. So, if it is not going to be same, what is the velocity it will have? That is the question. Try to solve this. Give a try. If you are unable to solve, I will help you. Give a try, but I don't think it is right. You are telling V value, I am asking the speed value. V may be right, I don't know, V may be right also. I am not saying what is V, I am asking you what is the speed at which the image is running. Good try, but Yashwant. I hope the question is clear to you. I will draw a diagram for you. This is a convex mirror and they gave the value of R as how much? 2 meter. So obviously the focal length will be how much? 1 meter. It has 1 meter of focal length, and there is a jogger approaching towards the mirror at a speed of 5 meter per second. You know very well if you know that the image formed by a convex mirror will be what? Virtual, erect, diminished. It will also move in this direction. They are asking you to find what is its velocity if the jogger was at what distance? 39 meters. U is given as minus 39 meter. F is given as how much? Plus 1 meter. They are asking you to find the value of not V, they are asking you to find velocity of the jogger. Interesting. How will you find? 1 by 280 is told by Pratap. Okay. Let us check whether it is 1 by 280 or not. Anybody else? See, logic I will teach you first. Most of you will have difficulty in this. I will teach the logic to you. Please pay attention. If you are not able to understand this question, please pay attention. I am going to give the logic to you now, the way of solving. See, step 1 is immediately find what is the V at this position. That is when U is minus 39, F is plus 1, using 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. I am putting 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 39. If you solve this, you will get the value V as how much? Minus or plus? V is minus. It cannot be minus here. Think common sense, no. V is this side. Plus will be there. Check if you have made mistake in calculation. 39 by 40 is correct, but not minus. Shall I solve it and show you? What, Mr. Yashwant? 1 by V will become equal to 1 plus 1 by 39. What is LCM? 39. 39 plus 1 is how much? 40. So 1 by V is equal to 40. So obviously V is equal to 40 by 39. Are you getting how it came? Understanding? Okay. I got the value of V. Now I know that, again I am repeating, please pay attention. I know that in 1 second, how much will the object move? 5 meter, because 5 meter per second. So object position from minus 39 meter will become how much? Minus 34. Do you understand this concept what I told now? In 1 second, object is not at rest, no, it is moving. Where will the object go? 34. If I ask another second, 29. Another second, 24, 19. Like that it will keep on coming close, isn't it? Because it is moving at a constant rate of 5 meters per second. Then image also is moving towards the mirror. At what rate? 40 by 39 meter is the original position. Right? Now the position is 40 by 39. Now what you can do, for this image object position, you can find a new image position. So if U is equal to how much? Minus 34 meters. F is already known to you as 1 meter. You can find V. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So what is that? 1 by 1 minus 1 by minus 34. Solve it, get the answer of V. How much you are getting? 35 by 34. If you have solved it, you will get 35 by 34. It means from 40 by 39, it has come to where? 35 by 34 meters. Now, I think it is 34 by 35, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, so it will become 34 by 35 as V. Check your answers. So now what I will do, I have the initial position, I have the final position, I have time how much it takes, 1 second only it takes. I can find the speed. So what will be the speed now? Speed will become equal to 40 by 39 minus 34 by 35 divided by 1. Why divided by 1? Distance covered by time taken. Distance covered is how much? This much. How much time it taken? 1 second.
Sir,
Huh.
that 40 by 39 is not the 40 by 39, sir. It should be 39 by 40.
Yeah.
That's only.
Yes, yes. 39 by 40. Correct. So 39 by 40 obviously, yes. 39 by 40 minus 34 by 35 by 1. When you solve, how much you are going to get? 1 by 280 meter per second. That is the correct answer. So, velocity will become equal to 1 by 280 meter per second. This question has come in the board exam also. This question has come in the board exam also. This question is there in NCERT example also. This question is important also. Please understand the question. Again, I will tell you, question is not tough. It needs understanding. When he is at 40 meters, 39 meters, where is the image? When the object comes at 34 meter, where is the image? If I know both the positions, I can get the answer very easily. If you have any doubt, please ask me. If you have any doubt, please ask me. If there is no doubt, we will start refraction. Reflection, that's all. Not much is there. Refraction only is the major part of this chapter. Is it clear to you? Anybody has doubt? Akhilesh understood how the answer came?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others, everybody is clear with this. Devadarshan joined after I marked you absent. If you are hearing me, Devadarshan, video also is off. Right. Let us start the next topic then, shall I? Give the heading as refraction. Give the heading as refraction. And let me ask to Amrita Varshini, what is refraction, Amrita Varshini? Unmute and say. What you know you can say, you may be right or wrong, don't worry about it. Don't start seeing the answer, searching the answer. What you don't know, you say I don't know, over. But unmute and speak something. Amrita Varshini, I took your name and I asked you what is refraction. Yes. I can hear you. Okay, just say I don't know, over. Yes. Anshul, what is refraction, man?
Sir, bending of light when it is entering from one medium to another.
Okay. So, Anshul says that bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is known as refraction. Do you agree with him? I think most will agree with him. That's what we learned in 10th standard also. Now, my question to you is, why it bends when it travels from one medium to another medium? Because speed is different in different medium. Oh, very good. Why is speed different in different medium? Permittivity. Epsilon naught. Then? Okay. Refractive? What is refractive index? Okay. Have you heard about a term called as optical density? Have you ever heard the word called as optical density? You know what is that? As we were saying permittivity, optical density is a measure which helps you to find how fast or how slow light is going in any particular medium. So, how light will go in any medium is governed by what? Is governed by its optical density. It is not mass by volume. It is like how the glass is made up of, not glass, the refractive medium is made up of. So, write a definition of refraction first. Bending of light when it travels from one medium to another, bending of light when it travels from one medium to another having different optical densities. I will repeat, bending of light when it travels from one medium to another having different optical densities, is known as refraction. So, if light is going to go from optically denser to optically rarer medium, it is going to bend away from the normal like this. Okay. and when the light is going to go from optically rarer to optically denser medium, it is going to bend towards the normal. So you can see it is bending towards the normal. I hope you understand that. Okay. I use the word optical density here. How is optical density measured? There are various tools for measuring that. One such tool that we are going to use in this chapter is called as refractive index. Give the heading as refractive index. Most schools will write refractive index as mu. Some school may also use small n. Whatever your school is using, you can use as you want. I am going to use mu only, but I have seen some schools using small n also. Both are same. Okay. What is the refractive index then? Ratio of what? Write the definition. It is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum. It is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium. It is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in the medium. So please pay attention. Suppose I am saying refractive index is 1.5 of a medium. You know what it means? It means speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium is 1.5. It means speed of light in that medium is speed of light in vacuum divided by 1.5. It means that light is travelling 1.5 times slower in that medium compared to speed of light in vacuum. So basically, refractive index is a calculation which gives you an idea how fast or how slow light is travelling in a particular medium. If I say refractive index of medium is 1.33, it means what? It means that light is going to travel 1.33 times slower in that medium compared to speed of light in vacuum. Is it clear to you? I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. So speed of light is found by using, not speed of light, the optical density is found by using refractive index, which is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in a given medium. So I can write mu is equal to C by V. Now please pay attention. Speed of light in vacuum is how much? Good. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is the maximum speed of light? This is the maximum speed of light. Light cannot have speed more than this. It means what? It means that V will always be less than C. Do you agree with me? I am telling you, speed of light maximum value is itself this much only. It means whatever V is going to be there, it is going to be lesser than that. A bigger number by a smaller number will always give you more than 1, the result. That much math you know, right? A bigger number divided by a smaller number will always give you the value more than 1. It means that mu can never be less than 1. It will always be more than 1. Mu can be less than 1 also. When you know? When we talk about relative refractive index. What is that? Let us learn it. So give the heading as relative refractive index. Give the heading as relative refractive index. What is it? Let us understand it. Please pay attention. If I am writing mu 1, you know very well it is C by V1. Do you agree with me? If I am writing mu 2, C by V2. If I am writing refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, it will become refractive index of first medium with respect to refractive index of second medium, which will become equal to, what is mu1? C by V1. What is mu2? C by V2. CC gets cancelled. So I am going to get mu12 as mu1 by mu2 as V2 by V1. What you are seeing here? You are seeing here that refractive index is inversely proportional to the velocity. Do you agree with me? Greater the velocity, smaller the refractive index. Smaller the velocity, greater the refractive index. That's why if a medium is having more refractive index, light will be slower there. And a medium is having less refractive index, light will be faster there. Moreover, you know that velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength, and frequency is source dependent. It does not depend upon the medium, it depends upon the source. Blue light will remain blue light only. Blue light passing through water, it will not become green. Blue will remain blue only. So, frequency into wavelength divided by frequency into wavelength. This 2 gets cancelled. So, I am going to get what? Actually, it is 2 and this is 1. So, I am going to get the value of the formula of mu as V2 by V1, and it can also be done as lambda 2 by lambda 1. So, basically the formula of mu 12, which was equal to mu 2 by mu 1, which was equal to V1 by V2, is also equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. Actually, I wrote ulta, it will be mu 1 by mu 2. So, I will change here itself, I will write mu 2 1, why to erase everything else? Or let me, it may confuse you tomorrow. This will be mu 2, mu 1, mu 2, 2, this will be 1. So, mu 1 by mu 2, this will be V2 by V1, lambda 2 by lambda 1. It means refractive index is not only inversely proportional to velocity, refractive index is also inversely proportional to wavelength of light. A question may come, draw a graph showing the variation of refractiveness of the wavelength of light. What is the graph? Are you getting my point? In what, Pratap? Please tell me.
Is the graph rectangular hyperbola?
Yes, yes. Inversely proportional graph. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have understood this, whatever I told now, I will give a question now to you. Copy it fast. Whatever you want to write, take 1 minute of time. Copy it. Then I will give some numerical based upon this. Very basic numerical. First, you copy this.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please ask me, Kirti.
Here, what's lambda?
Lambda is wavelength of light.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can I give the question? Please take the question. All of you, take the question, simple question. If wavelength of light in air, if wavelength of light in air, if wavelength of light in air is 4800 Armstrong. If wavelength of light in air is 4800 Armstrong. You know what is Armstrong? 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay. What is its wavelength? What is its wavelength in diamond? What is its wavelength in diamond? They have given the refractive index of diamond as 2.4. They gave in the question refractive index of diamond as how much? 2.4. In the question they gave the refractive index of diamond as 2.4. What is the answer? Two thousand sounds correct.
Sir, is it 2000?
Yeah, I feel so. That follow based question, direct formula based question. They have given the value of mu 1. From the formula you can see here that mu 1 by mu 2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. They gave the value of mu 1, let us assume it is with air. How much is that? 1. Mu 2, 2.4. Lambda 2, it means for diamond, how much is lambda? You want to find that. And what is lambda of air? 4800 Armstrong. So lambda d will become equal to 4800 divided by 2.4. It will come as 2000. That's all. Over. Are you getting my point? Very basic question. Just by formula you can solve and get the answer. So how the answer came? 2000 Armstrong. I hope nobody have doubt in this. If anybody has doubt, please ask me. I just use the formula lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to mu 2 by mu 1 or whatever. That is inverse relationship of mu and lambda is used to solve this question. Clear to you? Is it clear? Anybody has doubt? If no, we can start the next topic, shall we? Okay. Give the heading as laws of refraction. I hope you know the laws. Once again we will recall it. Laws of refraction. What is the first law? Something you are saying? Angle of incidence or angle of reflection. Then what is the first law? First law is simple here. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies in the same place. Write it, make it fast, simple. First law you write. Incident ray, this is first one, second one is Snell's law. That is second law. First law you write. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies in the same plane. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies in the same plane. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies in the same plane. Okay. What is second law? That is also called as Snell's law. Snell's law. Write it as ratio of sine of angle of incidence ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is always a constant, is always a constant, is always a constant. You can write it mathematically, you can write like this: sin I by sin R is equal to a constant, that is equal to mu 2 1. Mu 2 1 means what? Yeah, let me write it like this. Yeah. So if this is a refractive index having medium 1 and suppose this is medium 2, light is entering like this and maybe going in this way. If it is entering from a denser medium to a rarer medium, then this is the value of I, this is the value of R, and this is the formula: sin I by sin R is equal to mu 2 by mu 2 1. If you see here, if you solve further, I am going to get sin I by sin R is equal to mu 2 by mu 1, isn't it? Because mu 2 1 is mu 2 by mu 1. If you cross multiply, you will get mu 1 sin I is equal to mu 2 sin R. Very, very, very important. Believe me, this Snell's law formula is going to help you to solve many questions today and next class. Many places it will be used. Mu 1 sin I is equal to mu 2 sin R. What you should remember is what is mu 1 and what is mu 2. Mu 1 is refractive index of medium from where the light is coming, and mu 2 is refractive index of medium to where the light is going. If you take ulta, you will get wrong answer. Always remember this: mu 1 sin I is equal to mu 2 sin R is the Snell's law, where mu 1 is refractive index of medium from where the light is coming, mu 2 is refractive index of medium to where the light is going. Clear to you? Let us take a question then. Shall I give a question? Shall I? Copy if you want to copy something. Take 1 minute of time. Please copy fast. And take the question. Question is, I will draw it here. They have given, be careful, refractive index is 1, refractive index root 3. You have to find the angle of refraction and angle of deviation. Find angle of refraction and angle of deviation. What is angle of deviation? How much light got deviated from its original path is called as angle of deviation. Give a try. Did you get the value of, what is the value of R? R is 60. Very good. And what is D? Angle I is 30 degree you took, right? Then angle I is how much? 30. This is angle of incidence, right? Wrong is wrong, Mr. Yogit. If this is 30, this will become how much? If you are taking angle I as 30, that is the biggest mistake you are doing. Angle of incidence is angle made by incident ray with what? Normal, not with surface. Understood, Yogit? So obviously your answer is wrong. Now tell me the answers.
Sir, that R is
30 degree deviation, obviously 30 degree only. So I am going to use mu1 sine I is equal to mu2 sine R. What is mu1? 1. What is sine I? Sine 60. What is mu2? Root 3. We can easily find what is sine R. So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 into sine R. Root 3 gets cancelled. Sine R is equal to 1 by 2. So from here what is R? 30 degree. It means light will go and will bend like this. How much angle it will make? 30 degree. Then what is the deviation? From 60 degree to 30 remain will be 30 degree. Isn't it? So angle R and angle of deviation both are 30 degree. Is it clear to you? Anybody has problem? Is anybody having problem? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Tell me, Pratap.
So will the angle of deviation and angle of refraction be the same in all the cases?
Not in all the cases, in the cases of this basic thing. That is when there are single medium case.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next question. Spherical medium. Okay. One ray is coming. The center. This is a normal line obviously. And makes an angle of 30 degree with normal. Refractive index outside is 1, air. This medium has root 3 refractive index. Calculate the angle of emergence. Make it fast. Calculate the angle of emergence. You know what is emergence? Emergence means last medium, if it is going to come out, what is the angle? That is the only angle of emergence. Are you getting my point? If you have multiple mediums, light may go bend. Finally, with what angle it is coming out, that angle is called as angle of emergence. This is the angle of incidence. Okay? So check and tell me what is the angle of emergence here. Give a try. Shall I? Waiting for me to solve? Simple question this is. Got the answer? How much? Say right or wrong? R I am not asking itself. I am asking angle of emergence. Tell me that alone. 30 only?
30 only, sir.
I think 30 only correct. Yeah. 30 degree, the first step is what? You will find angle of refraction. How do you find that? We have angle of incidence known to me and light is entering from a rarer medium to a denser medium. So common sense says that light will bend towards the normal. So instead of going straight like this, it will take a bend and go like this. Do you agree? What will be this angle? R. Now pay attention. If it is R, what is its value? Let us find. Mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin R. That is Snell's law. Mu1 is how much? 1. Sin 30 is equal to mu2 is how much? Root 3 into sin R. So from here I will get sin R is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. Don't worry about it. Don't solve it further. Wait. Why to wait? Because now I am going to find what is the angle of emergence. For that, once again I will draw a normal. Normal is any line passing through the point and cutting at the center. That's normal. I hope you know that. Any line passing through center of a circle or a sphere and cutting its circumference is going to be normal line. So if this is R, this is also going to be R. Isosceles triangle, radius, isn't it? If this is going to be R, now light is going to travel from a denser medium to a rarer medium. Outside is 1 only. So it is going to go away from normal. So how do you find this angle? Once again you will use Snell's law. So it will become root 3 sin R is equal to 1 sin E. Do you agree with me? Sin R is known to me. How much is that? 1 by 2 root 3. So root 3 into 1 by 2 root 3 is equal to sin E. Root 3 gets cancelled. Sin I is equal to 1 by 2. So E will become equal to. Do you get it? Yes. Any problem? Simple question only. What you would have not thought is these two angles being same because of these two being radius. Other things are very simple. Expect this level of question to come in the examination. It's not very high level. Clear? Any problem here? I showed you how versatile is this law. Not only now, we will solve further questions by this only. Shall I continue? Give the next heading as real and apparent depth. Important topic. Real and apparent depth. Next heading is real and apparent depth. If you take a glass of water, that glass I am talking, okay. Problem in India is glass, if we say, that is actually tumbler, but nobody says tumbler, right? Bring 1 glass of water. Anybody says bring 1 tumbler of water? I don't think. You are using that word only in your home. Father, mother, everybody. Yes. Great man, you are educated. Tumbler only they are saying. My family never did that. So, I am also not doing to my son. That is more bad. At least your father changed the generation. If I am telling him, take 1 glass of water, I will take. So glass means he will not ask me whether which glass, steel glass, plastic glass, or glass, isn't it? We don't mind. In India we don't mind that. Actually, as we have Americans sitting here, they are using tumbler word in home. Very rarely we are finding this. They will use bring 1 tumbler of water. I don't know why, but whatever. So now I am talking about a glass tumbler. It means it is made up of glass material, okay. So a glass tumbler is taken. In that glass tumbler, you put a 5 rupee coin, okay, and pour water in the glass. What will happen to the coin? Feel like it is raising up, right? Do you agree with me? Go and try if you don't agree with me. So we'll take a glass tumbler, put a coin, preferably 5 rupees. Old 5 rupees was thick coin, that's why I told 5 rupee. You can use 2 rupee also, no problem. And pour water, you will see the coin's level is changed. I hope you agree with me. Or more easy experiment is take a spoon, pour water, spoon will bend. Why all these things are happening? Because of refraction of light. Do you agree with me? So now we are going to see in this glass tumbler, there was a coin kept where? In the bottom, and this coin in the bottom, when I poured water, first I am going to find why the coin raised up by using the diagram. Then I am going to find how much it raised up. This position of coin is called as its real depth. I am writing it as d. Small d is the real depth. Because of refraction of light, I wish to determine what is the apparent depth. Very important topic for the school examination. Even NCERT exercise and question is there based upon this. So please pay attention. Before I start deriving this and draw the ray diagram, some things I wish to tell you. That is, in this chapter, not only for this topic, for multiple other topics, whatever derivations we are going to do, we are going to make some assumptions. One of the assumption is going to be all the lenses that we are going to use are going to be thin. In this derivation, we don't have lenses. I was telling you, for this entire chapter, we are going to make two assumptions. Whatever derivation we do, these two assumptions will be always used. Thin is always a lens is always a thin lens, not thick lens. Second assumption is rays are paraxial. What is the meaning of paraxial? All the angles are very small. Yes, if I take angle as small, I get an advantage. What advantage I get? Tan theta becomes equal to sin theta becomes equal to theta. So wherever I have theta, I can take sin theta. I can take tan theta. Wherever I have sin theta, I can take tan theta. My wish. Angles are small, I will change. Sin 0 is tan 0. So if angles are small, I have more control over the angle. That's the reason I am taking all the rays are paraxial, means all the angles are very small. With these two assumptions only, whole ray optics and the optical instrument chapter has been made. Otherwise, everything will become more complex. So whatever derivations are there in your book, in the syllabus, every derivation will assume two things. One is, if it is lens based derivation, which is not this, it will come further, lenses will be assumed to be thin lenses, very thin lens, not thick. And second is, going to use here, rays are paraxial. It means rays angles are very small. Okay, we will use that later. First, let us draw the ray diagram. Now, please pay attention. We are going to draw two rays. One ray I will take straight itself, that is normal incidence, coming straight out. I am seeing from outside somewhere here, and my interest is finding what is the position of the coin. Definitely not this position, because I have a refracting medium, its position will change. Second ray, I am taking at some angle, it hits here, it means this is the angle of incidence. And now the light is travelling from, suppose this is mu1 and this is mu2, water to air, going from denser medium to a rarer medium, it will bend away or towards? Away. So instead of going like this, it will take a bend and it will go like this. Do you agree? It will take a bend and it will go like this. Do you agree with me or not? If I extend backwards, it is going to meet here. This is the position of image, and this depth is called as apparent depth d dash. So what is apparent depth? Apparent depth is the depth which is seen by the eye. Real depth is this only, capital D, sorry, small d. But apparent depth is the position of the coin as seen by the eye, which is going to be little above the original position, original depth. So the d dash is going to be smaller than d. Let us understand it mathematically now. Is the diagram clear to you? Is diagram clear to you? If yes, then see here, use Snell's law once again. Use Snell's law. What this law says? I can write mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin R. Do you agree? Sin I, and this will become sin R. One more thing, if this is I, don't you think this will also become I? Check the diagram. interior alternate angles. If this is R, this will also become R. Do you agree with me? Corresponding angles. Are you seeing the basic mathematics? Okay, let this distance be some x, it will get cancelled anyhow. So tell me, what will be tan I first in this triangle? What is tan I? X by D? Do you agree? What is tan R in this triangle? X by, do you agree? Now, here I am going to replace sin I by tan I as per the concept. So, I am writing mu1 by mu2 is equal to tan R divided by tan I. Now, what is the value of tan R? X by D dash. What is tan I? X by D. X gets cancelled. I get mu1 by mu2 is equal to D by D dash, or I can say D dash, which I want to find, is equal to mu1 by mu2, or ulta I am writing mu2 by mu1 into D, isn't it? Do you agree with me? And you see, in this case, mu2 is rarer, mu1 is denser. So, obviously, we are going to have mu2 as smaller value, mu1 as greater value. Small by big number is going to be less than 1, and less than 1 multiplied by something will reduce its value. That is why D dash is less than D. You may ask me, sir, what if light is travelling from a rarer medium to a denser medium? What will happen? It will change. Apparent depth will become more than real depth, possible. So, do not think that apparent depth will always be smaller than real depth. Yes, it is true, in which case light is going from a denser medium to a rarer medium. If vice versa happens, light is travelling from a rarer medium to a denser medium, then apparent depth will be greater than the real depth. If it is clear to you, copy this. Let us solve some questions now, then it will be more clear. Make it fast, please. Write the derivation, then we will solve some questions now. Have you copied? Please loudly, Yogit. Formula will remain same. Yeah, obviously, formula will not change, but what will happen? Image will be forming below, to be below its real depth. It means apparent depth will become greater than the real depth. We will solve a question now. Done with the diagram and the derivation? Take 1 minute more and do it fast. We will solve some questions, then only you will get clarity on this topic. Shall I give the question? Ready? Okay guys, take the question. If you are writing also, leave some space for writing. Question goes like this. A bird flying, B-I-R-D, bird, a bird flying 36 centimeter above the water level, bird flying 36 centimeter above the water level, bird flying 36 centimeter above the water level, notices a fish, notices a fish 24 centimeter below the water level. What is the apparent depth of the fish? What is the apparent depth of the fish as seen by the bird? What is the apparent depth of the fish as seen by the bird? What is the apparent depth of the fish as seen by the bird? What is the answer? Solve it. See, always remember, I am telling you this thing, please pay attention. You will make a mistake in choosing the value of mu1 and mu2. So, always remember, mu2 is the refractive index of medium to where the light goes, and mu1 is refractive index of medium from where the light comes. Be very careful about that. And refractive index of water is 4/3, we don't know. Refractive index of water is 4/3, refractive index of glass is 3/2, refractive index of air is 1, refractive index of diamond is 2.42. You should not forget these things. These things are something you should remember. Any answers? Tell me. It means you are doing some mistake. You are doing some mistake. 4 centimeter from bird. Bird is. Then from where, man? What the question? I read the question. What I told. Complete and tell me. Bird is flying 36 centimeter from the water level. Fish is floating or moving, whatever, at 24 centimeter from the water level below. If the bird will see the fish, where is the fish? That is the question. 50 sounds correct. 40 is definitely not sounding correct. You may be right also. I will check now. If you are right, be happy. So what is mu1? I told you mu1 is medium from where the light comes. If bird is seeing the fish, pay attention. If bird is seeing the fish, light is coming from the fish to the bird, right? If I am seeing you, light is hitting you, coming to my eye. That's why I am seeing you. You are seeing me, light is coming from me to your eyes. So if the bird is seeing the fish, light is traveling from the bird to the fish. Do you agree with me? It means mu1 is how much? 4/3 and mu2 is how much? 1. Now the formula. And whatever apparent depth you will get, please pay attention. That will always be from the water level only, isn't it? It will not be from top, it will be from the level. What is the value of d dash? What is the formula? Mu 2 by mu 1 into d. What is mu 2 here? 1. What is mu 1 here? 4/3. What is d here? 24. 4, 6 is 24. 6 3 is 18 centimeter. Do you agree with me? 18 is the depth of fish. Add 36 plus 18, I think we will get 54, not 40, right? You get. So if you add these two, 36 plus 18, you are going to get depth as seen by the word as 54. Got it my point? Is it clear? Shweta, what mistake you are making? You are taking ulta, 4/3 above you are taking, no? Then? Very good. Something else itself you did. Is it clear to you? Anybody has doubt, please ask me. If there is no doubt, last question before you log out. Last question is, what is the height of bird as seen by the fish? Same question, second part. What is the height of bird as seen by the fish? Don't say answer will be same, it will change. Now the apparent as huh? Man, not possible. Apparent depth will become more than the real depth, isn't it now?
Sir, 68 centimeters, sir, is it?
I don't know, I will check now. You added 60 and 18.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask me please.
Sir, they are asked like what is the apparent depth as seen by the bird? So like, shouldn't we add the 36 centimeter also?
We added no. How 54 came? 36 plus 18 gave me 54, isn't it?
I see that.
Okay. Krishna, you told the answer for the second part, right? 68 you are.
68, sir.
Let us check. Now what will happen? Now the light will
70.
let us check. Now the light will travel from where to where? Light will travel from the bird to the fish. Everything remains same. The formula. Now we will find, see, I will draw once again. There is a bird, fish here, and there is a bird here. Bird is having a depth of how much? 36 centimeter, isn't it? Depth is height. But now it will have an apparent depth. How to find that? D dash is equal to mu 2 by mu 1 into d. From where the light is coming? From here to where? Sorry, bird is seeing, no? Fish is seeing, no? So it will become light is coming from the bird to the fish. So mu 1 will become 1, mu 2 will become 4/3. Put in the formula. This will become mu 2 will become 4/3 and 1 into d is how much? 36. So 12 fours are 48 centimeter. It means that the bird will go where? 48 centimeter above the water level. So what is the answer now? 48 plus, how much was this here? How much is that? This is the answer. Are you getting, Krishna, where you made wrong?
Calculation mistake.
Mistake is mistake, yeah. Tell me, Yogit.
For the bird, the fish looks up, and for
Fish?
it looks away.
Away, yes.
Both get confused.
First of all, bird has nothing to do with the fish. Sorry.
Kingfisher will take
Ulta I am saying. The fish has nothing to do with the bird. Fish cannot come and hunt the bird, isn't it? But yes, as you are thinking, real life also, birds are hunting fishes. So what they do, most of the time they miss the shot. Because the depth will be not the real depth, it will see, grab. Are you getting? But it will not be the real depth, it will be apparent depth. And apparent depth is lesser. So 3-4 attempts it will not catch, now it will know, okay, it is more. So it will go and hit more down, it will catch it. Okay, that is different topic, not to be taught here. So I hope you understood the question. Is it clear to you? If it is clear to you, we can wind off today and we'll meet in the next class. I told you one extra class will be kept this week to cover some more portions. I am very slow. I want to clear some portions for you. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.